imagine the blue marble. To this image, 2018, the black hole image, an image, right, is a reconstruction from a terabytes of data set. But I would argue that this is actually just as important as the image in terms of its existential implications as blue marble, and perhaps even more so. Part of it has to do with how the image was constructed. Now, if you want to take an image of something very, very far away, in this case 50-some million light years away, you're going to need a very high-resolution image. Resolution is dependent upon the aperture of the size of the camera that you're using, and so what would be the widest aperture camera you could possibly build on Earth? It would be one that's the same diameter as Earth itself. So the Event Horizon Telescope networked together several telescopes from the North Pole to the South Pole and linked them together into a kind of new optical sensory organ that over a period of time, and even used the rotation of the planet as the kind of timing mechanism by which each of these would work. And so the planet itself was not only grew this new sensory surface, but that it even became a part of the machine. The implication is, for us, is that this locates humans, who obviously were the creatures responsible for the construction of the event horizon, in a rather different position than blue marble does. Blue marble implied a global village by putting apex creationists in charge of a mythical garden. Black hole demands a different planetary regime by rendering humans as a privileged mediating residue that sets in motion further generalized cognition. The two worlds could not be more different. This is a new profile for us, and one that will take some time getting used to. This is a quote from the Terraforming book.